Now to Capitol Hill, where the recently fired CDC Director Susan Monarez refuted accusations of untrustworthiness from her former boss, Robert F. Kennedy Jr. Monarez insists the health secretary pushed to change vaccine policy without scientific data. CBS medical contributor Dr. Celine Gounder followed today's hearing very closely and joins us now. So what did we learn, Dr. Gounder?
Dr. Monarez testified that HHS Secretary Kennedy demanded she pre-approve every vaccine committee recommendation and that she dismiss career vaccine policy officials. She refused, citing her oath and the need for science-based policy. And she says that refusal cost her the job. She also described the weeks leading up to that day, liaison experts removed from ACIP working groups. So, for example, folks from the American Academy of Pediatrics who advise on vaccines as well. The concern that the ACIP might alter the childhood vaccine schedule without credible data. And amid all this, of course, the August 8th shooting at CDC's Atlanta campus that killed Officer David Rose. And she added that Secretary Kennedy told her the childhood vaccine schedule would be changing starting in September, and he wanted her on board.
ACIP is the vaccine advisory panel, right? Is that right? Do I have that?
That's right. That's the external advisory panel to the CDC. The idea is to bring in experts. You can't have all the experts on vaccines necessarily at the CDC, and so to bring in some additional experts to review the data and to help make recommendations.
And so that panel meets this week to issue new recommendations. What should we know? What should we be looking for?
So routine childhood vaccinations like MMRV, polio, DTaP, and hepatitis B have decades of safety and effectiveness research behind them. If you hear conflicting claims online, ask your child's doctor to walk you through the pros and cons, the very real risks of the disease versus the side effects of vaccination. And I think it's important to remember, we talk about scientific process, not science as a religious text. It is not a fixed body of knowledge. It is a process in pursuit of knowledge and the truth. And recommendations grounded in the scientific process are what give you confidence that those recommendations are credible and trustworthy.